Hey, everybody. Welcome to a small video about the live collection of fish parasites from the wild. We are going to the sea for fishing and to collect fish parasites. Before going to that, we should know about a few basic things. What is parasites? What are the hosts, its behavior, lifestyle, etc. Parasitism is an innate, exciting close interaction between species, where one organism, the parasite, lives on or inside another organism, the host, causing it some harm, and is adapted structurally to lead a parasitic mode of life. Naturally, there is a complementary relationship between the parasite, the host organism and the environment, but a change in these can lead to the emergence of diseases. It is fascinating and surprising that each species of parasite chooses its specific host and decides which part of the host's body to inhabit and adapts its body parts for that purpose. This survival makes their body composition and shapes diverse. Members of the isopod family Cymatoidae are exclusively parasitic forms infesting fishes inhabiting diverse aquatic ecosystems. They are successful in parasitism of their morphological and physiological adaptations, such as protandric hermaphroditism and biphasic molting. Their diversity in host selection, their ability to find a suitable attachment site on the host's body, their specificity towards fish hosts, their reproduction, growth, life cycle, and the damage they cause to the host have attracted researchers worldwide. Parasitic cymatoids usually prefer various parts of the host fish, including the external body surface, the buccal and branchial cavity, and a few others are flesh penetrating. Since most cymatoids exhibit strict host specificity, the information about the host fish is always substantial. Let us watch how to collect fish and get the parasite. Today we are targeting the red seabum, a popular fish which is widely distributed in the Japanese Sea. Now we are on the cruise for collecting the fish. We will collect the red seabum by using specific fishing gear, the hooks. Wow, we got some good stuff. For at least 3 species of parasitic crustaceans. Among them today we are targeting the cymatoid isopod Ceratophoa vericulosa. It is a serious parasite, which is inhabiting the mouth cavity of the red seabum. As we said earlier, its life cycle is so amazing and it always makes us curious and wonders me. See, he is examining the seabum to find out the external parasites. Different parasitic crustaceans also differ in their mode of reproduction. For example, most parasitic copepods usually have both males and females attached to the same host or sometimes with the male attached to the female's body, and in such organisms, the males are usually considerably smaller than the females. In some cases, males die after reproduction. Similarly, they pass through several larval stages in their life cycle. Looking at the structure of their reproductive organs, it can be seen that sperm and egg production are in different parts of the same organ, but only one gonad is active at a time. It is a typical example of protandric hermaphroditism, which means a male to female sex change. The life cycle of these species begins with the larvae, the females in the body of the host fish that keeps their young ones in a marsupium, and the second larva, the manker larva, about 200 to 1500 larvae, is released from the marsupium into the surrounding water, and swims and search for their specific host. A small percentage of them succeed in the endeavor and enter the body of the specific host and start the life of the parasite. There are usually 2 larvae in one organism. Such larvae pass through several molds to become male, after which the healthy male becomes female on its own and the other male remains male. Their lifespan is about 2 years. Luckily today we have a large female and a smaller male. Look at here, the female is very large and hard to recover from the mouth since they attach to the floor of the mouth cavity, by using its legs called periopods. Once the female is detached from the host mouth, we can take the smaller male out. Members of the isopod family Cymatoidae are exclusively parasitic and are known to prefer various parts of the host fish, including the external body surface, the buccal and branchial cavity, and a few others are flesh penetrating. Like Ceratophoa, species of the genera Cymatoa, Glossobius and Lobath aurochs are preferring the mouth cavity of the host fish. They are commonly called as tongue-replacing parasites, since they attach over the tongue of the host fish and start feeding. Let us take them out and preserve them in ethanol for further study. Oh, it is very hard to take it out. Oh, finally we have successfully recovered both male and female. So next we have to preserve it for further study. For some other physiological studies, we can use this parasite in life. We can also take the photograph. Oh, since it is too big, we need a larger bottle for preservation. Let us see some pictures. Look at the site of attachment of the male and female. See attached on the roof of the mouth cavity. See the damage caused by the parasites. Finally, this is our cute couple. As we mentioned earlier, the larger one is female and the other one is male.